Hello everyone. As discussed in the last video, I'll be sharing a couple of miraculous stories that will stun you like no other. Starting off with the first story, there was a blind old lady who used to visit church every Sunday as Christians do and used to think that someday she will be able to see through her eyes. But this wasn't scientifically possible because her optic nerves were dead and by no means they were repairable. Despite knowing this, she kept visualizing of how she would see through her eyes one day. Many days, weeks, and months passed, but nothing happened. And then, all of a sudden, on one bright Sunday morning, when she visited the church, she could see everything. Her eyes were working like normal, and no one around her could believe themselves. Doctors said this isn't possible because her optic nerves are still dead. She is lying, but she wasn't lying. She really could see everything. When I read about it for the first time, I couldn't understand how to react. It was a mind numbing story, and all I had was goosebumps on my body. I'm pretty sure you're experiencing the same too. I'll be sharing the next story in the upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. See you around. Peace.